Dim, sobrang busy mo ngayon being a hardworking student athlete, sports and wellness management. Ibang klase ka talaga. Pero marami ang nagtatanong, saan ba maglalaro si Dim Pacres sa darating na PVL? Oh, mukhang ready ka na.
Grabe yung sagot ni Dim,
Di ko po alam. Kasi focus muna sa this coming season, UAP season.
Sa UAP.
Grabe, maganda daw lahat ng mga
Pero, di ba, may pagbabago sa ating PVL schedule this year. Isasabay na yung isang conference, a collegiate conference. So, paano yun? So, let's say, may team ka. I'm not sure kung Tacloban kasi maraming nangyayari ngayon. I'm not sure where you're gonna play. Pero, paano kung nagkataon, may team ka sa PVL, tapos naglalaro ka sa UST? Magto 2 games in a day ka ba?
Oo naman. Kung maaari, kung kailangan. Siyempre,
Okay.
athlete, pinasok natin to eh. So, kailangan natin panindigan yung mga bagay-bagay.
Grabe lahat. Lalo ng word ng panindigan.
Sabi ko sa inyo hardworking talaga ito si Dim. Okay, Eliza, Creamline, very successful year, 2 championships, a reinforced conference, it's open conference, pero wala na si Coach Tai. Sinong bago niyong coach?
Hirap sagutin na. Ayan talaga ang aabangan nating lahat. Kahit kami, hindi pa rin namin sure kung sino yung magiging coach namin. But definitely, I think it's gonna be worth the wait for everyone na malaman kung sino yung coach namin.
Yeah,
And
I'm very curious. But have you been training?
Yes, we've been
wow,
training.
nagtatrain na kayo. As early as now. May pa yung season ng PVL, di ba?
Hindi ko rin alam. Hello, bakit ba kami nag-training? No, I think that's the system we got also from Coach Tai. We really have to start early then para hanggang sa dulo, kompleto kami at saka buo kami sa team. So, as early as now, kahit gustong-gusto namin mag-training, nagtitraining po talaga kami. So, we're really excited to meet our new coach, if ever, and so, abangan nyo po yan.
May mga bago bang players na abangan sa Creamline? Dahil last year, syempre, pumasok si Michelle, pumasok si Melissa. May mga bago bang papasok sa Pool Smashers?
Si Dim daw wala pa atang team.
Si Dim. Rine-recruit mo na.
Parang mataba ko lalo nun, puro ice cream.
Sarap sa Creamline. Hindi. Kahit kami po, I think everyone is still focusing in the upcoming UAAP season. So, hindi natin ginugulo muna yung mga bata na hopefully mapunta din sa team namin. So, relax lang muna. I think we're training muna yung mga core na player din talaga for Creamline Pool Smashers.
So, kung si Eliza medyo napapakamot, bakit kami nag-training? May pa yung...
We're training!
Jessie, ikaw, nagsasawa ka na ba sa Phil Oil Flying V Center?
Hindi naman.
Kasi doon sila nagtatraining court nila yun, di ba, sa Petrogas. So, you're still gonna stay with Petrogas. You're not going anywhere. So, I'm sure Petrogas fans are very excited about that. May mga bago ba? May mga bago ba tayong abangan from the Petrogas team?
Yes, out. Si Pangs Panaga.
Si Jeanette.
Panaga. Yan.
Okay.
She signed na sa team.
Okay.
And then, meron pa itong mga ibang players rin na yun nga, hindi rin pa namin sure. Pero, hopefully, parang sa kanila rin, nag-focus rin muna ngayon nga sa UAP or whatever, or yung nga, ibang leagues. So, ayun, hindi pa namin rin
Grabe,
sure.
mukhang madami sa ano.
Hindi, actually ako,
Mukhang madami dito.
honestly ako, hindi ako medyo transparent with yun nga, recruitment, yung kung ano, ang alam ko nga lang si Panaga yung nag-sign sa amin. So, hindi rin naman sinasabi pa ng management namin.
Coach Jerry, still gonna be the coach ng Petrogas?
Yes.
Okay. Now, it's been going around social media yung mga litrato ng tryouts ng Philippine national team. At honestly, tuwing nakikita ko yung mga litrato, ang daming mga players. Ang daming mga players from different generations, different UAP and NCAA seasons. Eliza, you're nodding your head.
Kasi sinabi niyo yung generation. Parang madami ba generations yun? Ako, as siguro part of the national team for how many years already, I was so happy na pati yung mga bata, they're inclined to joining the team. They're very committed kasi pinakita nila yung commitment nila in going to the tryouts also. So, brighter future for Philippine volleyball, I guess.
Recently, ikinalulungkot ng buong volleyball community yung pagpanaw ng isa sa mga mentors, father figures in Philippine volleyball, Coach Nes Pamilar. And he's somebody that even myself as a commentator really respected because he was very accommodating and you could really feel the wisdom nitong si Coach Nes Pamilar. And Dimdim, ikaw yung isa sa mga players na huling naglaro para kay Coach Nes Pamilar sa Tacloban. Ano yung mga alaala na tungkol kay Coach Nes na hindi mo makakalimutan?
Sobrang dami, as in, kasi kinuha ko ni Coach Nes sa Tacloban kasi nung first year ako, naglaro kami sa Tugigaraw. Kinuwento niya sa akin ito, tapos kinausap niya si Coach Oji. Sabi niya, ang laki daw ng potential ko, gamitin daw ako, ganun. So parang doon na-build yung confidence ko na grabe yung tiwala ni Coach Nes sa akin. Kaya nung sa court, as in all out talaga, ganun. Lahat naman pinagkaktiwalaan ako. So si Coach Nes parang, dahil sa kanya, nung first laro ko sa PVL, nagka-award ako. Sobrang thankful ko sa kanya nung time na yun. As in.
Eliza, what can you say about Coach Nes Pamilar? I know you never got the chance to play for him, but I'm sure you've had many interactions with Coach Nes.
I think Coach Nes was one of the greatest coaches in the history of Philippine volleyball. Ang daming championship na nabigay sa FEU. Even the PVL, madami siyang natulungan also ng mga players. And never talk to him na all the time. Pag nakakasalubong ko, pero sabi mo nga, you can feel na, alam mo yan, for the love for the love talaga yung ginagawa niya para sa sport. Wala siyang hinihinging kapalit. Basta volleyball, basta makatulong siya sa mga taong alam niyang mabuti yung loob, okay lang sa kanya kahit walang kapalit. So, yun yung vibe na napapili sa akin ni Coach Nes. And kahit di ko siya naging coach, saludong-saludo talaga ako sa history na binigay niya sa Philippine volleyball.
The Philippine volleyball community is very small, very tight-knit. Almost everybody know each other. Now, when somebody like this passes away, like Coach Nes Pamilar, what kind of message does it give to the community, Jessie, na nakikita mo na everybody comes together to support one person?
Siguro dun mo rin makikita yung na-build na community. Like, kunwari, volleyball. Yung kung paano nga sila sasama-sama as one for a person who served volleyball well. Ayun, dun mo makikita kung ano na yung development ng mismong community.
And I'm sure that even though Coach Nes is not with us anymore, he is watching us and he will be guiding us in more ways than one. Kasi sinabi mo nga, Eliza, one of the greatest coaches we've had and of course, a champion coach as well, especially with his time with FEU. All right. Speaking of FEU, UAAP. Excited na ang lahat para sa UAAP. Ako, excited na ako. February, alam kong si Dimdim Papes, maraming sasabihin tungkol sa UAAP. So, hindi ko kayo pakakawalan. Mag-UAAP preview tayo ngayon. So, keep it right here on The Score.